Luna Classic is about to test a major support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Luna Classic analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see, yesterday we had a beautiful crash on Luna Classic, breaking below the 22.4 level and a continuation down to around the 14. You can see that the buyers did come in control of this formation and we actually saw some buying volume, but I mentioned that's going to be very, very crucial for Luna Classic to break above these exponential moving averages. Of course, right now the whole crypto market is in a massive dump, but we have to look for where there's a possibility for some opportunity. And right now we are seeing a possible retest formation being formed on Luna Classic. I mentioned this to you guys in yesterday's video that ideally there were two case scenarios that could have happened. Number one, of course, is if we did see a bullish engulfing candle, this would have been the opportunity to take that shorting position if we hit that resistance. And number two, of course, was the fact that we could be possibly looking for a retest around this wick level 2 or 3 times before finally saying that yes, this is a local bottom and that continuation on Luna Classic. The scenario number 2, of course, does look like to be playing out right now, where we have multiple bearish engulfing candles. You can see that the bulls tried to break above those exponential moving averages. We got that confirmation and now we are slowly trending back down. You guys have seen this pattern many times before because of the fact that Luna Classic has been in this massive slow bleed formation. I've mentioned this to you guys before, the fact that just because we had a beautiful pullback opportunity on that support level doesn't mean that Luna Classic is ready to continue pumping. We saw the same sort of formation right over here where we broke that support level, had this high, and then a massive move to the downside. That's exactly what we're seeing right now, of course, on a larger scale because of the fact that we broke this huge BART formation on Luna Classic for that opportunity right now. Of course, the only given defense the bulls really have is the fact that this 14 level is holding as a decent support, and of course the fact that we are heading into extreme case RSI on the oversold aspect of it. But right now Luna Classic has to hold this 14 level, and of course you guys know the reason why the 14 level is so important is because of the fact that we acted as a very strong resistance level here multiple times. You can see once we got that breakout, we actually retested this area as support for that confirmation to the upside, so this is going to act as a very strong support. Ideally, if we do see a break of this formation to the downside, then the next area of support would be around the 86 level. And because of the fact that you can see that that was probably the only time Luna Classic actually broke above that resistance level here, and we actually retested as resistance down here too. We have to be prepared for the worst case scenarios, and as of right now, these are our worst case scenarios for Luna Classic. You can see that the overall move set should be looking to end around that 86 level because of the fact that this is pretty much where the massive move started on Luna Classic. If that is the case, of course, then on the lower time frames we should have that confirmation, and you can see that right now in terms of confirmation we do have a beautiful rejection off the exponential moving averages, and it looks like the bears are obviously going to be in control. In times like this, nobody really wants to buy Luna Classic because of how uncertain the markets are, but of course, like I said guys, there is opportunity even in the worst of the worst coins. You just have to wait for that opportunity to present itself, and right now the only opportunity we have is shorting. The fact that Bitcoin is crashing, obviously Luna Classic is going to continue going down. It doesn't just start doing its own thing, right? You have to be very careful in these situations, and that goes for every single altcoin, right? It's not just one specific altcoin. Every single altcoin is pretty much down 30 to 40%, and I would expect another 30% drop incoming on altcoins. So this is why I keep saying be careful when you are trading. Do not look for long positions until we have a proper confirmation. Ideally, the only time you should be looking for a long opportunity is a scalping opportunity, and you can see that was your scalping opportunity. We hit an extreme level of 14, which was a beautiful support level, but you only enter that opportunity once, and once you take those profits, you wait for that retest to see whether or not that level will hold. Of course, if we do see that break formation on Luna Classic, then that's our next level here at 86. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and hope you guys have